If you get this error message when trying to redeem the code in Little Kaiser's promotional website, and the error message just look like this: the code or receipt you're entering is invalid. Please try again and make sure you follow the guidelines. So this issue occurs in Little Kaiser's promotional website for Black Ops 6. So make sure to follow this tutorial very carefully and I will guide you on how to fix this problem. So fix Little Kaiser's Black Ops 6 error. The code or receipt you're entering is invalid. First, ensure that you are entering the correct code provided with your purchase. Double check for any typos or missed characters. In most cases, you'll be facing this issue if you're entering the code in a wrong way. So, ensure that you are entering the correct code provided with your purchase. Double check for any typos or missed characters. If you double check for any typos or missed characters and you're ensuring that the code you're entering is in a correct way, but you're still facing the same problem, then let's go to another step, which is use Chrome's incognito mode. A lot of people have found a solution by using Chrome's incognito mode. So you can try to just go to your Google Chrome. Then on the Google Chrome, you can try to go to callofduty.littleKaisers.com and then you can try to redeem the code to see if it can help you fix this issue. So if you're using the Google Chrome, but you're still, the Google Chrome incognito mode, but you're still facing the same problem, then try clearing the browser cache. So to clear your browser cache, it depends on what browser you're using. So for example, I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can just clear your browser cache by going to your settings. And then on the settings bar, you can just search here on the search settings, just search clear cache. And the clear cache option will come and then you can try to clear your browser cache. Or you can just look for how to clear your browser cache depending on what browser you're using. I'm assuming you know this process, so it's very easy to clear your browser cache. So if you've cleared your browser cache but you're still facing the same error, then you can try to switch to a different browser. I recommend Google Chrome. If you're not using Google Chrome, then you can try to use Google Chrome, especially using the incognito mode. A lot of people have found a solution by using the Google Chrome. So you can try to use the Google Chrome browser to see if it can help you fix this problem. Or you can just try other browsers like Brave or any other browsers and just check to see if it can help you fix this issue. If you've done so, but you're still facing the same error message, then check for server issues. In most cases, if the Little Kaiser's website is experiencing high traffic, such as during a popular promotion, it may result in delays or errors when redeeming codes. Try again after a little while or during off-peak hours. So sometimes when there are high traffic on the website, then you may be experiencing such error message which says the code or receipt you're entering is invalid. So you may try to wait maybe until the promotion, or maybe a lot of people are not trying to use the website, then you can try to redeem to see if you're not facing the same problem. Also, if you're still experiencing the same problem even after following all the steps which I have shown to you, then contact customer support. If you've checked all of the above and are still having trouble, it's a good idea to reach out to Little Kaiser's or Call of Duty customer support for assistance. But in most cases, I highly advise you ensure that you are entering the correct code provided with your purchase. Double check for any typos or missed characters. If it all fails, then try Chrome's incognito mode, or then you can try to contact Little Kaiser support and they will guide you on how to fix this issue.